A large number of people enjoy swimming as either a recreational or professional activity. In fact, swimming is the fourth most popular recreational activity in the US. Chlorine is a popular chemical agent used for pools, and they are utilized to eliminate the germs found in the pools. However, there are several underlying issues associated to utilizing chlorine. After swimming, the chlorine is now lingering on your swimwear, even after cleaning and applying shampoo or other washing agents. This leads to long-term chlorine exposure. The chlorine may be low in concentration, but prolonged exposure might eventually lead to respiratory problems. This is where my innovation will apply. It utilizes a safe chemical reaction to remove all the chlorine off your swimwear, thus protecting you from exposure. In addition, it prevents further damage on your swimwear from the chlorine, increasing your swimwear's longevity. The reason chlorine is lethal lies in its corrosive properties and strong oxidization effects. The chlorine from your swimwear will normally enter through inhalation. When the chlorine from your swimwear enters your body, it reacts with the water inside your body, including your lungs, to form hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. These product compounds penetrate your cells and tissues and damage their cytoplasmic proteins, thereby destroying the cell structure. This can cause severe respiratory issues such as eye, skin, airway irritation, sore throat, and even cough. Chlorine also causes olfactory fatigue, adaptation to the odor, decreasing one's own awareness to the prolonged exposure to chlorine. This can cause you to not notice its effects over time. In fact, according to a study conducted by the American Academy of Pediatrics, revealed that children aged 9 to 12 who regularly visited chlorinated pools leads to the amplifying of the effects of asthma and may lead to respiratory allergies. In addition, research shows that when chlorinated water reacts with microorganisms, human body fluids, cosmetics, and sunscreen, it can damage your DNA and eventually lead to cancer. In addition, chlorine compounds on your swimwear react with other common agents in the pool environment, such as perspiration, urine, saliva, hair, skin particles, feces, even cosmetics and sunscreens. This then forms DPBs. Similar to chlorine, DPBs are a respiratory irritant. Research into the effects of DPBs are currently ongoing, but long-term exposure to DPBs through inhalation and swallowing cause inflammation of the air passageway. This might lead to oxidative stress, which is essentially the imbalance of the body's ability to produce free radicals and antioxidant reserve, which will cause damage to your lungs. Chlorine also has a strong impact on your physical swimwear. It causes the color to fade over time. Additionally, the chlorine reduces the integrity of the fabric of the cloth. The corrosive properties of the chlorine molecules slowly break apart the cloth fibers, rendering them thinner and thinner until it is easily torn from routine use. The chlorine will be removed through a special neutralization reaction involving ascorbic acid. The chlorine found in your swimwear is actually hypochlorous acid, so we can consider it aqueous. The ascorbic acid solution is obviously also aqueous. The ascorbic acid turns the hypochlorous acid into dehydroascorbic acid, hydrochloric acid, and also water.